Right, quick video to explain question 7C on the 2021 paper 41, the May-June series, and this is about differentiation. They give us the equation of a curve, and the first thing they ask us is to write the derived function. Right, that's straightforward. Remember, you multiply the index with the number in front, so 3 times 2 is 6, and then subtract 1 from the index, so that's x squared. And 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. Subtract 1 from the 2, that's x to the power of 1, or just x. Okay, so that's the final answer, 6x squared minus 8x. Okay, for the next one, they want us to find the gradient of where x is 4. Now, the whole reason we differentiate is to find the gradient of the line at a specific point, and which in this case is x equals 4. So all we have to do is substitute that into our derived function. So that will be 6 times 4 squared minus 8 times 4, and if you put that into a calculator, we got there 4 squared minus 8 times 4, 64. Okay, then the last one, the stationary points. The stationary points is, if you look at this is a cubic graph, okay, which is to the power of 3, it will be something like this. Stationary points is where this graph turns, and that at that point the gradient will be 0. So all we have to do is take our derived function and set it equal to 0. So that will be 6x squared minus 8x equals 0. We can now factorize out here. Common factor of 6 and 8 is 2. And there's another common factor of a x, which means in the bracket will be left 3x, because 2 times 3 is 6, and x times x is x squared, and 4, because 2x times 4 is 8x. Now we can split this up. That means 2x equals 0. Divide the 2 on the other side. 0 divided by 2 is 0. So we got the 1x value here in the answer. Okay. The other one, we put 3x minus 4 equal to 0. Move the 4 across, so 3x equals 4. And divided by 3. We now have the other x value, 4 over 3. Or 1.3 recurring, or 1 1/3, whichever way you want to write it. Okay, but we now need the two y values. To find that, we need to substitute these back into the original equation. This one here. So let's do that quickly. So let's first substitute the x equals 0. So the original equation to find the y is 2 times 0 cubed minus 4 times 0 squared plus 6. Now 0 cubed is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, 0 squared is 0, 0 times minus 4 is 0, so that would all disappear. The only thing that's left is 6. Okay, so we now have this y value here, and then we need to do this with this x value as well. So it's 2, 4 over 3 cubed minus 4, 4 over 3 squared plus 6. And we can put that into our calculator quickly. 2 bracket 4/3 close bracket cubed minus 4 over 3 squared plus 6, and we get our answer 98 over 27. I mean, you can write it as a decimal if you'd like, but that's good enough. They're happy with that.